lovely, lovely, lovely. What a coast, man. From that location to that location. Isn't that beautiful? I hope you people can see me. I can see myself. Stupid questions. So this is my day 2 in Udupi. Yesterday I reached very tired. I was damn tired. 12 hours of continuous riding. It was hectic. So I went to bed early, and today it was all wedding preps going on, so I couldn't get out. But I made some time to come to Kodi Bengre beach. So the structure of the beach is something that you can see on your screen right now. On your left is the sea, that is the beach. There is a road in between. On the right there is a backwater. So this is the sea behind me. Okay, and here you can see the backwater. I hope you can figure that out. It's a 1 or 2 kilometers of a stretch here. It's pretty amazing. And backwater there is a fishing and all stuff goes on. So my next plans are I'll be going to Goa tomorrow. Yes, this is my last day in Udupi. I hope you liked my vlog till now in Udupi. If I reach Goa by before sunset, I'll stay in Goa. Otherwise I'll stay in between, because I don't want to take any risk, because as you people know, I only travel when there is a light shining from the sun. From Goa probably I'll go to Vengula. That's my plans are. And after that I'll go back to Pune. And this is very unusual for these people. I'm just recording it from using my mobile. Okay guys, day 3 in Udupi. I'm not exactly in Udupi. I am outside Udupi, I think 30 kilometers outside Udupi. So I'm here to attend my friend's wedding. I hope you enjoy the time lapse and the view of the temple. It's very cute little place, not so tacky, and very simple wedding is going on, and I'm enjoying it. So my plans for today is I'm going to leave after this wedding is done. So hopefully I'll try to reach Goa, because the distance I need to cover is around 300 kilometers today, and I'm not planning on staying here. So I have to leave as early as possible. Yeah. So I'll see you in a bit. Till then. So leaving from Karakal, place where the wedding happened. Now my next stop would be somewhere on the highway for a cup of tea. I've removed my thermals. It's very hot. It's very sweaty weather. Hope the camera angle is good. It has been a lovely stay in Udupi. People are very humble, except the drivers, especially the lorry drivers. It's very hot. Hot. I'm taking a route to Manipal. From Manipal Oh, okay, it's not a Sikkim Manipal, it's Manipal where this Manipal University concept has originated. So from there I'll take a right turn towards Brahmagiri. From Brahmagiri circle I'll hit the highway. I'll have to be careful for this 150 kilometers. Right now it's 12:41 to be precise. After taking ample amount of rest on the second day, I was back on the track with full of energy. The reason I ride most amount of kilometers on very first day is because then I am less tempted to go back home. During my stay, I was being introduced to everyone as a guy who rode to Udupi from Pune. At first, they were all amused. Some people appreciated, some people were more worried as to how will I go back home alone. While it was difficult for me to explain that, on most of the occasions, I just smiled. Today's 300-kilometer patch was a piece of cake as compared to the mammoth riding I have done on the very first day. But it was still a huge task, especially after all the love that I received during my stay in Udupi. Love that was mostly in the form of whole variety of South Indian food. I was stuffed, and sleep was the last thing that I wanted to happen to me. Lovely, lovely, lovely. What a coast, man. From that location to that location. Stretch. Beautiful. Utterly beautiful. I don't know what this beach is called. अन्ना इस बीच को क्या बोलते हैं? ये त्रा Marvanti Bridge, not bridge, beach. Marvanti Beach. You're beautiful. You are beautiful. Okay, I have completed around 100 kilometers, roughly 100 kilometers. Still 200 kilometers to go, maybe 200 plus. But things are really nice. I'm really enjoying this ride. I might have one coconut water here before leaving.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Isn't that beautiful view? I stopped here last time as well. There's something in the water that attracts me. Still 75 kilometers to go to reach South Goa. I have not yet booked any room. I hope that won't be a bummer because it's a season time. Either the room rates are sky high or the rooms are all booked. Okay, no issues. So I'll make a move from here and reach Goa as fast as possible. All right, bye. The weather is soothing weather. Okay, I have to hunt for a room when I'll reach Goa. So there are two options that I'm looking forward to. One is Palolem Beach, which is situated on nearby the Kanakona area, and another one is a little before that is Galgibag Beach. Probably I'll check out the options that are available. Right now it's 5:21, so if I take 1 hour to reach there, that'll be a good option to look forward to. Fine, just the road, never-ending road. Sometimes it's the journey that teaches you a lot about your destination. Traveling must be done without worrying about the roads and the accommodations. The sheer joy of simply being on the road with your favorite companion and with your favorite music in your ears, capturing the sunset and every bits of scenery around you, making it a memory. And that should be the only motto of your travel. Everything else just shouldn't matter. When you have that spirit going in you, then everything else just falls into places. This was certainly not my first time to visit Goa, but I was eager to reach the beach and take a deep breath of the Goan ocean breeze. I don't know, but it certainly has something in it that doesn't make it boring no matter how much I dive into it. Good evening guys, I've got the room. I came to Palolem Beach and there I've got a room. So can any one of you guess the rent that I'm paying for this room? 600 in season in South Goa on the Palolem Beach. So I've gotten ready and I'm just ready to have some quick bite. So just I go out. It's 7:40 in the evening. Just a second. That was my room from where this all started. Whoa, now that's the beach. This is the place where I was staying last time. It's not built yet, it's under construction. So every year they have to demolish what they have built last year and they have to build new stuff, new houses, huts every year's season. For some time, have my food and go to sleep because I'm tired today. If you have come so far, do hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is Vinit signing off from Goa. Bye bye. Outro.